Alright, now that we have covered the initial setup for the visual, we're going to go through the interactions. First things first, we're going to do a drill down. In order to activate it, you just simply need to click on one of the columns. Now, something that happens in the background is you can see that the data that's in the table on the right hand side is also getting filtered. So whenever you do a drill down, that is being passed as an active filter. Now, if you want to go back to that previous level where you started off, all you have to do is just simply click on the zoom out button in the toolbar, and that's going to bring you one step up in the hierarchy. Now, regarding the single and multiple selections, you have a few options here. First, for a single selection, you can hover over a column and hold down the left mouse button, thus activating a single selection. If you want to select multiple categories, all you have to do is just simply hold down Control, and then you click on multiple categories like this, and that is being passed out as an active filter. Now, once you want to clear the selection, click on the y-axis. In this case, it's also the value axis. There you go. Now, if you want to call out a tooltip and get more information regarding what you're seeing within the visual, you just simply need to hover over one of the categories, and you can see a tooltip pops up right next to it. Now, what else we offer within the visual is the ability to move it around. What I mean by it is whenever you have a place within the chart that's not the actual category itself, but some sort of a white space, you can click, hold, and drag. This allows you to fine-tune that zoom level within the visual. So you can manually zoom in or zoom out. You can also move the chart to the right or the left. And this is really important for those cases where you have a lot of categories, because this allows you to just zoom in on particular categories that you want to look into and see in more detail. Now, last but not least are the legends. So for the legends, we also do something a little bit different. What we do when you click on one of the legends is we disable that series from a visual view. So this is really useful for those cases where you have a lot of different metrics being displayed at a single time, because this essentially allows your end user to display everything that's not important at that particular time and just focus on what's important for them to get the results that they're looking for. Now, when also talking about interactions, something important to remember is that these are important not only to you as a report developer, but it's something crucial that the end user needs to know about. So my recommendation is whenever you are onboarding new users within the reports that are using our visuals, is just send them direct links to the video courses covering the interactions so they know how to use the interactions properly and get the most out of the visual.